Hey everyone, today I'll be doing another lead code problem 83. Remove duplicates from the sorted list. So this is also a very light problem. This is pretty self-explanatory. Remove duplicates from sorted list. So we have already done remove duplicates from an array or something like that, in which we move duplicates at the end of the array. So we'll be taking this example number 2 we are given. I think I will write some code and then explain later. Current dot next are not null. We will be comparing current dot next dot val and current dot val of val. Okay, now we be just updating the current with the next dot next, and if not we'll be updating our pointer normally like we already do in previous problems. We have seen this. And return head, let me see if this runs or not. This runs fine, and now let me explain how this code actually works. So this will be the head, one will be the head, and we will store in it current. So basically the current pointer is one. Node number one is our current pointer. And while current is not null and current dot next is not null, yes, these both are not null, we will be executing our loop if the value at current dot next is equal to the value at current dot current val, which is obviously the value at the current. So the value at current is equal to the value at current dot next, which is this node number 2. So what we will be doing is just removing this node's address from the current and adding current dot next, which is 1, and current dot next which is 2. We will be adding the reference, the address of 2 in node 1 dot next, which is our current dot next will be updated by the address of 2, the node number 3. uh, Basically it is node 2 0 1 2, but you can say it is 3. uh, so what we are doing here is just canceling this node will be present in memory. We are not deleting it from memory throughout, but we don't have access to it. So now our current is 1. Again, I want to clarify that we just don't have an access to this node, otherwise this node is still there. Just just because we can't access it, it is not in our linked list. We just lost its address. Now we don't know where this node is present. Okay, now current is at 1 and current dot next holds the address of 2. So loop will again execute, check if one of them is null or not. No, they are not. We will compare them. And no, in this case they are not equal. One is 1 and 2 are not equal. So we'll be executing else case, in which we will just move our pointer normally, like incrementing our pointer to the next node, which will be 1. From pointer 1 we will be moving to pointer 2. So now the current is 2, and we'll be looping through again and checking again these current next is not null and also current is not null. So what we'll be doing is just comparing these two again. The values at these both nodes are also not same, so we'll be executing else again and moving the pointer to the next node. So now 3 is our current. Okay, so we will move to the next iteration in which current is not null and also current dot next is not null. We'll be comparing these two. We found a match. What we'll be doing is adding in current dot next, which is 3, in the in the address portion of 3. We'll be adding current dot next, which will be current dot next will be 3, this 3, and dot next will be the next node which will be null. So we'll be adding the null node reference here, and after that we will we will done with this if part, and loop will check if current and current dot next is null. Yeah, here current dot next is null, so we will exit our loop and we will get output like 1 2 3. What we did was just cancel this one and this one and 3. These are present in memory but we don't have their address. We just remove their address from their previous node, and that's it.